What's up, curious minds? I've got a tricky animal riddle that'll make you scratch your head. Here we go. I travel in groups, always on the move. You might see me flying, but I don't have wings. I can swim, but I'm not a fish. And sometimes I hop around, but I'm not a frog. Think you know the answer? Drum roll, please. It's a penguin. Penguins travel in flocks. They swim expertly, and on land they waddle around like little hop-along heroes. Did you get it right? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more brain teasers. Catch you next time.